This is Polyver, a powerful factory specializing in manufacturing laundry port packing machine.
Using Polyver's latest stack encapsulation technology, we have created a unique three-dimensional port, realizing a breakthrough in homogenized product styling.
Look, isn't it more 3D dimensional and more graphic? In addition to 3D molding technology, Polyver's port packing machine has made important breakthrough in
automatic film splicing and tension control, integrated vacuum integration technology, shape laser slitting technology, and precision filling technology. In terms of improving production efficiency, Polyver's port packing machine greatly improves the whole line's ability to change production through one-click changeover, quick removal and replacement of the main rollers and other special features, and is able to respond to different production tasks more quickly.
Besides, in terms of the film consumption rate, Polyver's equipment can achieve the consumption rate less than 3%. In the international arena, our equipment can reach to the most advanced level. Thank you for following our in-depth camera visit to Polyver. If you're looking for the right supplier of port packing machine, warmly welcome to Polyver.